Introduction to Mind Mapping.
Mind mapping is a powerful way to organize ideas visually. Whether you're brainstorming, planning, or studying, mind maps help break down complex topics into manageable parts. In this video, you'll learn how to create effective mind maps step by step using top free software tools. Let's get started on building clear, engaging mind maps that boost your creativity and productivity.
Choosing free mind mapping software.
Several free mind mapping tools are easy to use and packed with features. Popular options include XMind, FreeMind, and MindMup. All these provide flexible templates, intuitive interfaces, and the ability to save or share your maps. Select the software that best fits your needs and install it or open it in your browser to begin.
Starting your first mind map.
Open your chosen software and create a new map. Place your main topic or idea at the center. This central node is where everything begins. From here, you'll branch out to subtopics. Keep your main topic clear and concise. This sets the focus for your entire mind map.
Adding branches and keywords.
Add branches from your central topic for each key idea or category. Use short phrases or single keywords to keep the map uncluttered. Most free mind mapping tools let you easily drag and drop branches or change their color to highlight related ideas. Focus on making connections clear and logical.
Enhancing and refining your mind map.
Use the software's features to organize and clarify your mind map. Add icons, images, or color coding to differentiate ideas. Adjust layout as needed to improve readability. Save your map often and explore export options to share or print your finished work. Mind mapping is flexible, so review and revise to make your map as effective as possible.
Conclusion and tips for success.
Effective mind maps are simple, clear, and visually engaging. Practice by mapping different topics to find what works best for you. Most free mind mapping tools offer built-in tutorials or help sections if you get stuck. With these steps, you'll be able to organize thoughts, solve problems, and make the most of your ideas using free software.